Let's look at one individual case interview and see how we can further break this down. A case typically takes 30 minutes, and most cases will look like this. It starts out with a case briefing. The interviewer introduces the situation and outlines the problem you're solving in the case. A good candidate will take notes and then play back the situation to the interviewer and ask clarifying questions, making sure everything is clear. Then there's the structuring part. This is where the candidate has to draw an issue tree, outlining how he'd approach the problem. You simply need to set up a structure or an issue tree that is A, well adapted to the case context, and B, logically coherent. The key term here is McKinsey, and we have an entire video on this concept. And once the structure is done, you need to explain it to the interviewer. Then, you'll have to work your way through the case. You'll interact with the interviewer, receive new information, maybe answer questions, and slowly but surely get to the bottom of the case. By the end of this phase, you should have a pretty clear understanding of the client's situation, where the problem lies, and maybe also what the solution could be. In the end, you're asked to give a recommendation to the client. Now you simply go over the case and develop a final recommendation. This final recommendation is typically complemented by supporting arguments, maybe even some caveats or next steps, or even risks that the client should consider.